Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. It is your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into a spaced adventure NFT. Get a look at these details, you guys. These are super realistic. I think you guys will love this project a lot. So this project is called Space Albert VIP Time Safari Club. There are currently 10,000 ultra unique collectibles, your VIP access to the world's first metaverse time machine. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, I would recommend that because there's a lot of benefits there. But right here is the link along with the website. We'll take more a look at both of those towards the middle of the video. If we take a look, they currently have over 16.3 followers, which tells us that this community is definitely growing. Diving down into their first post right here, it says, choose your place in the Time Safari virtual theme park. Okay, 10K already collectibles with ultra utility, VIP access to the world's first time machine. You guys, look at this, the dinosaurs, virtual, okay, virtual theme park. You have access to the world's first time machine, exclusive Space Albert's VIP club member benefits, and last but not least, join the Discord as stated. This way that you can get giveaways and you can also be part of contests. You're more than welcome to join any of that, okay? If we go ahead and scroll down here a little bit, this is going to be something that is very, very, very important, okay? So how to pick a great utility NFT like Space Albert. It states right here. So what is a utility NFT? A utility NFT, unlike ordinary NFTs, possesses an intrinsic value generated from special access, perks, and opportunities provided to the token holder. In contrast, an ordinary NFT usually offers only artistic value and together with the associated scarcity. The utility offered by an NFT could be in various forms, including membership to an exclusive club, access to an event, or special perks and benefits within a game. So what makes Space Albert a great utility NFT? Well, let me know what you guys think. Please leave some comments down below. We'll go ahead and dive down here a little bit further. You guys can see where it says that roses are red, violets are blue. If you believe in greatness, then Space Albert VIP is for you. I definitely love that. Get a look at this picture right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of like we have the Matrix in the background. There's a lot of different traits with this art, right? There's a lot of different attributes. I really like this. Let's go ahead and actually dive down into the website because I want you guys to see everything that they actually provide here, okay? So once again, Space Albert VIP Time Safari Club. There is a video right here. All you have to do is click on it if you would like to see that. Let's go ahead and dive down into this. It says that the Genesis Time Travel NFT collection with VIP access to the world's first Time Safari metaverse. The current supply is 10,000 as we stated earlier. The price is sitting at 0.1 Ethereum. The pre-sale is TBA, so we are waiting for this announcement. Be sure you are part of the Twitter and the Discord. Make sure you are following so you can get in on that announcement and get these early at a cheap floor price. If we scroll down here a little bit further, it says Space Albert VIP Genesis Collection Utility Perks and Club. The Alberts are a pragmatic combination of unique and quirky attributes, including backgrounds, outfits, skins, headgear, eyewear, and mouth traits that match the charisma of the nutty genius. Each attribute belongs to a specific era, indeed a consequence of obsessive time travel. So get a look at this, you guys. Each one represents a certain era. If we scroll down a little bit further, I think this is pretty dope. I like this a lot. It says, welcome to the VIP club, the most elite time safari club in the metaverse. So for Space Alberts, the vision extends light years beyond a 2D PFP or a 3D playable character. Each NFT unlocks VIP member-only rewards and benefits, including access to thrilling time travel experience in the metaverse. teleport below and be blown away by the power of the club. So it shows right here, 10K, okay, 10K rare ultra utility tokens with real intrinsic value. VIP access to the first time travel game in the metaverse. Exclusive Space Albert VIP club member rewards. Exclusive fully rigged 3D Alberts, okay, this is metaverse ready. Full ownership and commercial rights to the NFT. Then you also got right here, it says unlock further benefits through the roadmap activations. And it looks like we got a t-shirt and we got a hat here. It says time travel experiences and gameplay are at the core of everything in the Time Safari metaverse. Each engage in a gameplay and increase your value by collecting Quantum XP, the unique in-game token, okay, unique in-game token that powers the Time Safari ecosystem. Quantum XPs allow you to unlock new experiences, assets, and other benefits within the game. And I want to make this very, very clear, you guys, that Quantum XP is a in-game token. All right, this is not a cryptocurrency, and this is not a coin. If we scroll down here a little bit further, you guys can see what we're going to be seeing here. It says breed, it says play, it says hold, it says teleport, it says unlock. A lot of cool stuff here. It says Quantum XP is a native utility token in the Time Safari metaverse and reflects the level of gameplay experience of the players. Right here, I love this, you guys. This is sick. This is awesome. It says Time Safari Metaverse 1.0, teleport, play, and unlock. So the Time Safari will be the world's largest and the coolest virtual theme park in the metaverse, and only one that offers time travel experiences. Imagine a visit to a dinosaur park and the Palo Age, or a trip to Mars to experience colonization. Thrilling and chilling adventures are in store at the destinations that you've never experienced before. Great experience are not of the faint-hearted. You'll need to overcome challenges and fight some enemies along the way. So get a look at this. RPG Adventure. It's an open world multiplayer simulation. Teleport through time, right? Mind-blowing time travel destinations. Play to gain Quantum P, unlock experiences, in-game items, and different perks. Scrolling down just a little bit further, you guys are going to see that this is where the current roadmap is. There is a lot of information on this website. We got phase 1, which is March this month. A sneak peek of the Time Safari game will be revealed, as we started to see a little bit above. We'll also ramp up our already buzzing social media and focus on pressure of community awareness. Stage 2, 50%. Space Albert's merch line will be launched. The Time Safari sneak peek is expanded into and to include a limited access time travel preview. Stage 3, 75%. A utility game asset giveaway will be held, and it will include skins, weapons, and power packs. A lot of cool things there. Stage 4, right? It says we will throw our first quantum party for Genesis holders in the Time Safari metaverse. The limited entry alpha version of the travel destinations will be revealed. Then obviously you got phase 2, you got phase 3. Phase 2 states the Time Safari beta launch will happen with the gameplay being established. The Time Safari platform will be strengthened and expanded. Our moonshot is to create the most dope ecosystem for time travel themed games, experience, and social encounters. So I like a lot of this information, you guys. I would highly recommend that you guys check out this website if you have not had the opportunity. But for Space Albert Inc., it says the Blockchain Game Studio. There is a lot of information here. Okay, I would highly recommend, as stated, you guys check this out. And if you guys would like to join the Discord, there is a link, as stated, at the top right up here of the Twitter page. Okay, there's a link right up here. So once you join, you will have access to all of the rooms. You have to verify yourself really quick, and that is it. But you'll have access to the roadmap, to the tweets, to the announcements, right? To the videos, to the future Alberts, okay? You will have access to all of this. Look, we got a spoiler going on right here at this current moment, okay? A lot of different spoilers here. So come and check this out, okay? You got the general chat. Look how active this is, you guys. There's a lot of people here in this Discord, okay? So feel free to check this stuff out. There's a lot of things here, right? Whitelist details, winners, whitelist wallets, instructions, a lot of stuff here. So anyways, thanks for all being here. If you guys would like to, feel free to leave some comments down below and tell us, what do you think about Space Albert? You guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you later, and ciao.